Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Moroccan lamb mince kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just in front of me here I've got half a kilo of lamb mince. Now to our lamb mince we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, about half a cup of chopped fresh coriander, and the most important ingredient, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of harissa paste. Now this is just a homemade one. I'll put the link in the description on how to make that, or you can just buy it. Now all we're going to do guys, is just using our hands, we're going to mix this all together. And what we want to achieve is to combine all these flavors together. Now the harissa paste itself does have a fair bit of heat to it. However, if you prefer, you can add a bit of ground chili to this mix now, if you want it hotter. But don't make it too hot, as it overrides all the other flavors. Alright, so that's well mixed now. So what we're going to do is start to skewer it. So guys, with our mince, I'm just going to skewer it onto long white skewers like this. To all my subscribers, you would have seen me do this hundreds of times. If not guys, grab your mince, just in your hand, you can make it into little logs like so, and you can just fry it in a frying pan. Alternatively, run a wooden skewer through the middle, and then make them nice and thin like that, almost like a sausage. So there's any number of ways you can do this. I'm just going to go another way and just do it on metal skewers. So in my case, grab about a handful of your mince. Just in your hand, you want to turn it into almost a sausage shape, and then we'll run it straight onto our metal skewer like that, and begin by using our thumb to push that meat against the skewer. Just like so. And make sure it's nice and secure so it's not going to fall. So all you want to do is just repeat that. Now guys, it doesn't have to be as perfect as that. Like many of you know, I've been doing this for so many years. I've been trying to skewer mince onto kebabs for years. Ever since I was a kid when I was watching my dad make kebabs. And only in the past 4 or 5 years I've actually learned how to do it. So it comes with a lot of experience. So guys, continue skewering, shaping, however you're going to do this. And in the meantime, get your grill ready. Alternatively, if you are oven baking these or frying these in the frying pan, do as you need to do. So once your grill is ready guys, place your skewers straight on. After about 30 seconds, we'll just flip our skewers. Basically what we're doing now is sealing the meat onto the skewer so we don't lose all that juice and flavour. So after another 30 seconds we'll flip them again. And just look at how beautiful they look already. So guys, basically from now on, every 30 seconds we'll flip them. And we're looking for a total cooking time of just around 5 or 6 minutes. Alright guys, so once you have that beautiful colour on each side, you know we're ready to serve. So what we're going to do is set these to the side. Okay guys, so all I have here is some pilaf rice, and we're going to take our skewers off. And just look at that, how beautiful does that look? So guys, that's all there is to it. As I said, you can fry these, you can grill these, you can do these however you like, but over an open fire is the best tasting. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.